been living for like a feather brow since I can remember, but I have really coarse curly eyebrows, so that is when this brow lamination comes into play. Okay, I know that title was a little clickbaity, but if you got it right, you little CIA agent, leave a comment and keep watching so you see the results, so that I can live my Nicki makeup fantasy, my Patrick Ta moment. I have been wanting to try brow lamination after I saw how bomb my friend's brows turned out. We both have really curly brows, which made it hard to tame, so I felt like she just found the perfect solution. So this is her, this is my friend Roxy, and she's going to be doing the brow lamination on me. You can totally do this yourself. She actually filmed a how-to video on herself that is already up on her channel. She did use a different kit in her video than the one that she's going to use on me today, and after experience with several kits, she has really tried a bunch, she loved this one that she's using on me today. So I'll have it linked, and she is going to quickly break down this kit for you right now.
Okay, so I recently came across this kit and I love it. This right here, this is the Lash Lift Tools. Comes with spoolies that you'll need. We have the little coloring cups. You put these little rings on and then you fill them up with whatever product, like whatever step you're on. So all your steps are already on your hands. This is the Lash Lift Tool. This is probably like my best lash lifting tool that I've tried of any kit. I've tried like 3 kits now. This is the lash lifting glue. It's just clear glue, and this is like your very first step. The lifting cream, what I love about this kit, they're actually individual little packets versus a jar that you keep dipping into. You don't waste as much product. Same with the neutralizing lotion, that's step 2. And then same with the serum. They all come in that same little packet. Since it is meant for lashes, this is what you would use to lift your lashes. And there's 3 because they're different sizes. So the pink is small, the white is large, the blue's medium.
Okay, so now that you know the kit that we are going to use, here are my brows before. I know I'm pretty blessed with a thick brow, but they are really curly and they just always do their own thing, so I'm excited to have a little bit more control over them. Rock started off by grooming my brows and applying these little patches that are definitely not necessary, but it does make me feel legit and a little bit more fancy. And then we started the process. Brow lamination is basically putting a relaxer through your brows to make them very straight. So it is a chemical, it is going to smell, and trust me, you're not even going to need brow gel after this. Just wait for the after, you guys. Oh my god. So you're going to want to really get that glue so that they look like this at the end, really laid. This is going to be, you know, that first step to really achieving a feather brow. And then you apply the next step, which is the lifter. To me, it's kind of like the activator a little bit. And you want to make sure that you're getting like every hair. There's layers to your brows, believe it or not. We kind of learned this with my brows, my thick old brows. And then she just put a little plastic over top to let it set. And then, I mean, all of the directions, honestly, you guys, are on that kit. I just kind of wanted to show you how easily it can be done at home. And like the process that we took on mine exactly. But yeah, you let it sit for like 8 to 10 minutes, and then you go on to step 2, which is the neutralizer. Apply that thoroughly again, and then again with the plastic, and then you let it sit about 8 to 10 minutes one more time. And then you're gonna take it off. Oh my god, look at these brows, you guys. I look like Oscar the Grouch.
I feel like people are gonna say, you don't even need that, because your eyebrows are like so bomb, you know, naturally. Oh. Yo, girls' eyebrows are laid.
She had me cracking up the entire time, but this is the last step. Step 3, little moisturizing serum. Put it on, wipe it down, and oh my god, are you guys ready for this reveal? I'm like editing this and I'm like, there's just no way I can like take this seriously and be like, would totally recommend it. With my brows looking like that, I look like straight up the dad from American Pie, living my Bert fantasy, not Nicki Makeup's or Patrick Ta fantasy. But it does get better, I mean, obviously. When I tell you, I just had to tell you this story because now that I like see that video, I'm like, I looked so crazy. So I have been craving really good sushi because I could not find like really good sushi in Guadalajara. I don't know, I'm sure there's some, but for me, I didn't find it. Me and Rox got on a little sushi date, and when I tell you that I went looking like that, I mean, I'm all brown. Like, the waitress must be like, the hell is she using her brows? And they're all... Anyways, back to the video. This is just 24 hours, so let me show you in 2 days what they look like, and then we'll talk. So this is day 2. This is like 48 hours after doing the brow lamination. I just wanted to show you guys because I know the first day is quite shocking and you can't wet them or anything. It takes a few days for them to settle into your brow. And I also did a light trimming since they do kind of expand. You know, basically what we're doing is stretching out the eyebrow hair. So I just wanted to trim some of the tail end there. And all I did to achieve this look right here is literally just fill in. You guys know if you've been with me, I have a scar in this eyebrow, so I just filled that in very lightly with an eyebrow pencil and I just brushed them into place. I love it because I don't have to use any brow gel. All of the coarse hairs that I have back here, I'm able to really style and have that like editorial kind of look that I really like. I know it's not for everybody, but definitely if you're into like a feather brow, I would definitely recommend it. I think she says it lasts about 2 months, like a month and a half, and then you can touch up again. But yeah, she said the next time if I wanted to do it myself, it's really easy. Again, I'm gonna link her video because she has a full step-by-step. This was more kind of like my experience, and I knew you guys were gonna ask like, girl, what did you do to your brows? So I just wanted to have this video to direct anybody who asked. So definitely check her out if you want more of like a how-to. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye!